In the past few years, we've added a kind of a new wrinkle to recipe organizers, and that is the flip stand. It's not for everybody, but some people really like it. It's a kind of a different concept. It's not a binder or a recipe box. It's its own third thing. We organize them under recipe binders though, because it's got some similarities. It's got the 3-ring binder. So anyway, here it is laying flat, and here it is fully assembled. And the assembly isn't that tricky. You can see right back here, this is a little thing that bends, that's magnetic. It just clings on there, and there it goes. It stands like that. You can see how it lies flat like that. So the instructions, if you really want to see, but I think you get the idea. We've got a couple different designs that work with this, and we sell the flip stand protectors that you'll need to put your recipe clippings in or your family cookbook in. This particular design includes these dividers, and boy, they are bright and colorful, aren't they? Well, I think you get the idea as you go through. And then on the back, you'll see there's a conversion chart in terms and techniques. Like I said, it's a bit different from a traditional recipe organizer, but you can see that there's space up here if you wanted to add more of these protectors to fill out your flip stand. You can do it. So it has this real benefit of being vertical, so it's reading right at the level that you're reading it as you're cooking. That is the biggest advantage. The drawback, obviously, has a little bit more setup and a bit more fiddly getting it there. And it's not really intuitive unless you see a video like this to actually understand how it works.